Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to play sound inside Godot game engine. So let's get started. So first I have added two audio files. So yeah, you can use like maybe add your own audio file. I'll just create a 2D scene and I'll just command S to save it. I'll click on save. Okay, and what I can do is I'll click on this plus button and I need to add an audio stream player. So this one, okay, because why I have taken two audio files, because for the first audio file I want to continuously play it in the background whenever game is playing or running. So that's why I'm taking audio stream player, and here you can see this is the uh, audio file which I want to use. Now you can just go to this import section, and if you want to change something you can change it. It's up to you, like 8-bit trim, loop mode, all that stuff. But I'll just keep it as it is. Okay, if you want, I have seen some people re-importing it, so it's up to you. If you want to do it, I'll just keep as it is, and I'll just drag and drop this to our audio stream player. So here you can see it has added it, and I want to continuously autoplay it, so I'll just select this. Now I'm not sure if you guys can hear it when I try to run it, but sometimes the audio decibel is too high, at least for now. So I'll keep it as 0. Run your application. If you feel that it is too high, then change it. I'll just change it to -10, and then I'll run it. I'll select our current scene, and I'm not sure if you guys sorry, I have just paused it. I'm not sure if you guys can hear it, but at least I was able to hear it. Then again, I'll just take a note 2D. Now in the second thing, I will show you how to programmatically play an audio. So I'll just take one button. For this first one, I have enabled autoplay, right? That's why it was playing automatically. For the second one, I want to play the audio on a button click. So I'll just take this button, okay, and I'll name it as play audio. Okay, I'll command S. I'll go to the node. I will attach one script to our parent scene. Okay, I'll go to our button, I'll go to node, and I'll add this press signal as well. So once now I need to add another audio stream, so I will just add an audio stream player 2D. Okay, and here I will just add this explode.wav or wave, whatever, however you call it, file. Then I'll just drag and drop this particular instance of our audio stream player 2D, and now to play it on our button click, all I need to do is I just need to do audio stream player dot play method and run our application. And again, I'm not sure if you guys can hear it. But at least I was able to hear it. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye. Sorry, one more thing which I forgot is, if you want to loop your audio file, you will just have to go to your audio file, click on import, and here you will loop mode, you will have to make it as forward, and then click on this re-import button. So make sure you do that as well. So yeah, sorry about that, I forgot it. So yeah, that's it. Thanks. Bye.